Hello everyone, I am Dionne with Short and Sweet Languages, and I teach Spanish to families, specifically to families who love people, culture, and travel. So this summer, I have been going down the list of travel phrases that you would use in a Spanish-speaking country. And this week's phrase is, do you have a menu for kids? How do you say that in Spanish? What you say is, ¿tiene un menú para niños? ¿Tiene un menú para niños? ¿Tiene un menú para niños? Breaking it down is tiene, which is you have. It's the formal, not tienes. That's the informal, but tiene un menú, a menu. It's the same word, spelled the same. Menú, with the accent on the U, and there's an actual accent on there. Menú, menú. Say that, menú. Tiene un menú para niños, para, for, niños, kids. Tiene un menú para niños. Tiene un menú para niños. Got it? Okay, we'll say it a few more times. Listen. Tiene un menú para niños. Tiene un menú para niños. Got it? Okay, that was an easy one. Make sure to check out all the other phrases. So I'm going down the list. If you want the list at the end of the video, there's a link you can click on and I'll email that to you. So enjoy, practice, and I hope you get to use that this summer, even though we're halfway through the summer, but I hope you get to practice these still. All right, see you later. Nos vemos. Guys, thank you so much for learning with me today. And if you want that list of essential phrases in Spanish to know when going to a Spanish-speaking country, make sure you click on the link. It's either here or there, around. Somewhere on this screen is that button where you click, you go to my website. Okay, thanks. Have a great week. Bye.